Hey guys, Touchley everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe I'm going to show you how to make laughing chili. So let's get started how to make. Hope you guys will enjoy this recipe. Okay, so first I'm going to make dry chili powder first. So add the chili. After that, just add little bit salt, and that's it. We're going to make powder this. Take a one clean bowl, and now I'm going to add my chili powder. So how much you want to make, it's depend on you. Okay, now it's time to add all the seasoning. For this, I'm going to add. This is half teaspoon, so I'm going to add around 1 teaspoon sichuan powder. Next, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon sesame seed, half teaspoon salt, and just little bit sugar. So I like to add just little bit because sugar will keep all the balance. You don't need to add too much, you need to add just a little bit. Mix all the dry ingredient first. After that, I'm going to add garlic paste. Ginger, I'm going to use only juice. Again, mix one more time. Okay, now it's time to heat the oil. Okay, I always forget to add soy sauce. I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoon soy sauce. Now next I'm going to add oil. Six teaspoon I'm going to use. 6 teaspoon I'm going to use. Now it's already heat my oil. For extra flavor, I'm going to add sichuan pepper and black pepper and some fenugreek seed. Next, I'm going to add some bay leaves and fry for a couple minutes. Okay, can you see that my all of masala will burn? Now it's ready. This is the my chili. Now I'm going to put here. So what you want to do? We're going to stand the oil. So I'm going to cover for a few minutes because why I'm covered? Because all the smell are going inside. Okay, now it's time to mix all the ingredients very well. So it's very hot. Now I'm going to add just a little bit salt. Okay, now my chili is ready. Laughing chili is ready. Now I'm going to store this container. You can use any recipe in this chili, not only for laughing. You can eat directly also. Now I'm going to clean all the pot. After that, cover properly. Okay guys, so this is my final result. So homemade laughing chili is ready. So if you like this recipe, do not forget to subscribe, like, share with your friends and family, and every time enjoy my homemade recipe. Thank you so much for watching my video, and we'll see you in next video. Bye bye.